Hi, we are now going to discuss about web and DNS server. So how actually our website is works, which means how the networking factor is works. Okay, we are going to get demonstrated through by the Cisco Packet Tracer simulator. So here we are going to set up the simple network for our DNS server. Okay, so this is very simple. And so this is a miniature of actual website. Okay, in these codes we are going to work with only one website. Okay, so right now I'm going to demonstrate it. So this is a network address table what I'm going to follow. So right now here I'm get started ready. So right now I'm going to choose one router for my network and one switch, and here 3 PCs, okay, and one server. So this is a DNS server for our website. So here in this server, here we are going to store actually our entire data here, our website here. So first we need to connect all of these components together. First connect the PC to switch. So choose a copper straight through cable. Okay. Why this link is not? Okay, so now okay, so now I'm going to set it up. So right now what is the interface in between the router to the switch? Gigabit Ethernet. Okay, so right now here I'm going to set up it from router. Go to the router and enable configure terminal. So configure the interface. Okay, which interface we are going to use it? Gigabit Ethernet 0/0. So here you see that the Gigabit Ethernet 0/0 and IP address of it 192.168.1.1. okay, no shutdown. So once I enter the no shutdown, in the red color note, it turn it into the green. So now it's ready, and exit. Okay, so we properly configured the router. So right now go with the DNS server. In the DNS server we need to configure it. First we need to provide the IP address for our DNS server 192.168.1.100, and this is subnet mask of it. And here the default gateway. What is the default gateway? The default gateway is nothing but what is the router of your network. Okay, so 192.168.1.1. so this IP is of our router IP. Okay, and go to the service section, and here you see the DNS, and go and turn it on. So right, it's by default it's in off state. Right now turn it on. Here provide the web address of your website, address of your website. Okay, so here you need to provide the IP address. Which IP address you provide? 1.100. okay, So this is the IP address of your web server. So cross check it. Okay, here you see it's our IP address of our web server. And go to the HTTP. So it's already turned it on, so we set up our DNS server properly. Right now go with the PC in system, configure the PCs one by one. What is the PC IP? 192.168.1.10. Here the default gateway, and here is the DNS server. Okay, by the way, configure all of this. Okay, 1100. Okay, okay, so the DNS server of your website address. Okay, the DNS server address. So we properly configured all of these setups. Okay, so right now go and check it out. Check our internet, so our network. Go to the command prompt and ping .com. So it works properly. Okay, so right now go with the simulation mode. You can see it how it works. You see that the packet ready to transmitting from PC0 to the switch and switch to the server. Cross check it and then again switch server to the switch, and finally it sends the file to them. So this is the way our actual website works. Okay, so now go to the PC section and here click the web browser. It takes some time to open a web browser because this is a simulator. This is it uses a limited amount of memory for this application. That's why it takes amount of time. Yeah. Okay, what is our website name? www. Okay, and go. Yeah, turned off the simulation mode into the real-time mode. Now it works. Okay, go with the PC one. Do it again. Come on, right. God. Okay, right, it works. So now we need to check some other things here. So go to the command prompt and right now nslookup www.satishlab.com. okay, here so you can check the server and server IP and address of your IP. Okay, so other details here. Okay, right, so I hope you understand. See you.